Ikea just released the Stockholm 2025 collection last week, and there are almost 100 amazing new products that are unlike anything you've ever seen at Ikea. We've covered some of them in the last video, but there are many more to go through. So today we're doing part 2 of the best new Ikea finds from the Stockholm collection 2025. I'm An, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, please consider subscribing, ringing the notification bell and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the new armchairs in the Stockholm collection, and the first one is this beautiful teddy-like armchair in white. This one has such a stylish expression that is so generous. The legs are made in solid oak and the soft enveloping shapes and teddy-like upholstery make it feel and look so warm and so cozy. The generous seat and curved backrest mean that you sit comfortably while enjoying an embracing feel, and the cold molded foam in the seat and backrest provide a soft yet firm comfort. The cover is made out of this beautiful fabric in cotton and polyester with a distinct texture that is so soft to the touch. It has a subtle minimalistic expression with details enhanced by the smart construction with no visible fittings. Right from the start, 10 out of 10. Another new armchair from the Stockholm collection is this rattan armchair made out of that same soft cotton cover. This one's perfect if you want to create a relaxing spot in your home since its materials provide a calm and warm feel. The rounded embracing shape and the thick cushion with pocket springs give this armchair an inviting look and relaxing comfort. This one is really built to last and I can't wait to see it in stores. A new coffee table from this collection is this gorgeous oak veneer coffee table in dark brown. This large, round coffee table has a natural yet elegant expression with every detail crafted with care. It has such a modern Scandinavian design with honest, natural materials and a sleek and elegant shape that will fit any style. Plus, the grain on the tabletop's veneer runs in 4 directions, creating a pattern that enhances the texture. This one also comes in a smaller side table version too, for $99.99. You can use this one paired with the coffee table or as a side table on its own, whatever you prefer. And when we're talking about side tables, one more new side table from the Stockholm collection is this minimalistic pine veneer side table that's perfect as an extra surface next to the sofa. This one comes in 2 color options, a natural and a black one, and I honestly cannot decide which one I like best. It has such a simple yet interesting shape, and the black glaze finish highlights the natural wood grain beautifully and adds a sophisticated touch to your home. Plus, it comes at a great price point for $69. Now moving on to lighting, a new pendant lamp from the Stockholm 2025 collection I absolutely love is this gorgeous pleated pendant lamp with brass details. This pendant lamp has a soft expression with its wavy textile that looks so unique and interesting. You can use it to create a soft and cozy atmosphere in your home since this one spreads a diffuse and decorative light that looks so good when turned on. I just love the wavy details and the fact that the fabric is partially made out of linen. It makes it look so natural and so beautiful wherever you decide to place it. And when we're talking about the lights, I just have to mention this new textile floor lamp. This lamp has a sleek and elegant brass-colored lamp foot and a travertine base. Travertine is actually a natural stone that has natural variations that looks so good. The top is covered with a linen shade, creating a nice structure that spreads a pleasant light. This floor lamp is such a classic, spreading diffused and decorative light wherever you decide to place it. This one also comes in a table lamp version 2 for $79.99. Loving how sleek and elegant it looks, and I can't wait to see it in stores. Another new table lamp from the Stockholm 2025 collection that looks so good is this textile table lamp that looks so retro. This one is completely made out of linen fabric and spreads the softest, diffused mood light. It comes in two fabric options, but I'm especially vibing with this sun yellow one. It looks so MCM and is a real eye catcher. I just can't wait to get this one for my home on my next trip to Ikea. A new mirror from the Stockholm 2025 collection is this oak veneer mirror with brass details. This elegant square mirror has visible brass-colored fittings and a clean-lined frame in oak veneer that looks so interesting and so beautiful. The mirror is just as functional as decorative and adds life to any empty wall. It also has a generous size and will look good anywhere you decide to place it. A chair that's a new find from the Stockholm Collection 2025 is this beautiful oak leather chair that looks like it comes from a designer store. I mean, just look at it. The moon-shaped backrest with a modern Scandinavian edge gives this chair such a beautiful and modern expression. I've seen chairs like this in famous designer stores, and I can't believe we can now get these types of furniture pieces at Ikea too. I love the shape of it, the legs in solid oak, and the cushion seat that's made out of genuine grain leather. It comes in two wood color options, natural oak and dark brown, and they both look stunning. Another new chair from this collection is this interesting dark brown dining chair. This one has such an interesting backrest in solid beech wood that is expertly bent by steam. It has such a modern Scandinavian appeal that is beautiful around the table or as an elegant accent in any room. It also comes in a vibrant red option too, for those of you who want to add a pop of color. A dining table that's new in the Stockholm Collection 2025 is this beautiful table in oak veneer. This oval dining table combines elegance, durability, and easy assembly. It's made out of high-quality oak veneer with clear acrylic lacquer that gives it a natural aesthetic, combining functionality with beauty. And again, another piece of furniture that looks like it came from an interior design catalog. It looks so simple and stunningly beautiful. This table also comes in a round version too, that's perfect for smaller spaces and dining nooks. And again, this is Ikea making beautiful and timeless furniture pieces for less. Loving it so much. A product from this collection I was so excited to see was this beautiful shelving unit / bench made out of oak veneer. This shelving unit is so beautifully made. I love the details on the edges. It has a beautiful finish and a versatile design. You can place it under a low window, behind a sofa, or at the end of your bed as a bench. Loving the look and the versatility of this one. It looks like those famous low mid-century modern shelves, and I can't wait to see it in stores. Another new unit from this collection is this TV unit with sliding doors. This one's also made out of oak veneer and looks so minimal and so retro. I especially love the leg details and the fact that it has sliding doors. Another new product in that same look and style is this oak veneer sideboard. This one can fit so much inside and is so practical to have next to the dining table for plates, glasses, and other dining essentials. Inside the sideboard there are 2 drawers and 2 shelves, which gives you plenty of storage opportunities. Plus the brush veneer gives each piece a unique look and a personal character. And another new cabinet from this collection I just had to mention is this tall cabinet with 2 doors. This cabinet looks so vintage. It has a beautiful finish with lockable doors to keep your belongings safe and a brass key that adds that little detail of retro. This one comes in 3 different color options: natural oak, dark brown and green, and they all look beautiful in their own ways. The doors have a soft closing function and the 2 shelves are adjustable, which gives you the option to space them according to your needs. Now moving on to glassware and tableware, there are so many new glasses in the Stockholm 2025 collection. The first ones are these simple and minimal mount-blown glasses that come in a pack of 4 for $17.99. Loving this so much. Also these ones in that similar style, only smaller, that come at $14.99 for a pack of 4. Also, these wine glasses that are already on my list for the next trip to Ikea, these come at $19.99 for a pack of 4. And lastly, this beautiful carafe that's the perfect decant for wine or water that is also made out of mount-blown glass. And we're finishing off with the new cushion covers from this collection. All of these cushion covers are made out of pure cotton in this off-white and black fabric. They come in 3 different patterns and I love all of them so much. Such a nice detail to any sofa. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked these new items from the Stockholm 2025 collection. If you did, make sure to let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, allowing all notifications to make sure you are the first one to get my new video whenever I post. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, and ringing that bell button is the best way to get notified and stay tuned. And if you haven't watched part 1 from this video, make sure to do it right now. I'll leave a link into the description box along with all of the products from the Stockholm 2025 collection. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! So Mars is awake. Let's go! Oh, hi buddy! How are you feeling? As you can see, allergy season isn't over for Mars. So sorry about that, buddy. Also guys, please make sure to give me some extra love in the comment section below. Since this is the second time I filmed this video, all of the footage somehow got erased from my SD card, so I've been working day and night to get this video to you. Right, Mars? Mars has been working too. Bye guys. See you next week. Bye.